Hello. So, one of the pieces of advice earlier in our research paper process was the idea of taking notes on note cards. Maybe the physical, harder to bend paper note cards or electronic note cards, which we could use slides for. This is to show how you would use those electronic slides to help outline your paper. And a reminder that if we look over here, each source should be a color. So here I'd have two main sources. If you are going to outline your paper, what you need to do is type in some headings. This would be the first chunk of your paper. Maybe you have a second chunk of your paper, maybe more. So you would figure out what are the labels for each chunk of the paper. And then the idea is you go back and you find some of the evidence for each one. You make sure that every element, actually, oh, it's there. You'd make sure that each slide has a single piece of information. Can't have more than one or it's really hard to sort out. And then you would move things to where they belong. So that basically creates here is the purpose, and you start to filter in your evidence. And because your slides are color coded, you're going to know which source they came from. Now, there are a couple things to remember. Make sure, again, that having a topic or subtopic on the note card can be helpful when you craft notes or you just do it here in the outlining stage. Have only one idea per note card to make sorting easier. You should always identify who said what when you take notes. That's part of attribution. It's not just the source of it, but also who said it within the source. When you take notes on your note cards, always only use the essential words. Paraphrasing and just getting the idea is most important. Make your work short by using abbreviations when you can. Use brackets and ellipses in case you've changed words. And paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is the most important skill in research. So I am hoping that you can use slides to help move your information around, creating an outline. You make these headings and then you move the slides where you need to. Thanks and have a great day.